Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking in. Today I've got the F30 here behind me. I just finished washing the car. That's why I'm very sweaty. And I've got something to show you guys. Real quick, before I show you guys what exactly I have, I kind of want to talk about these wheels here that came with my car. So these are 19-inch wheels. They're kind of part of the M Sport package. I think it might be a premium wheel option. And so they're 19-inch wheels. If you remember in my previous video where I talked about what options were on the car, I kind of showed you guys how disgusting these wheels really are. They aren't in the best condition. A lot of the wheels actually have curb markings on them, and the brake dust on these are just terrible. It's just completely caked on, and so honestly they need to be completely refinished. So my options were to get them refinished. I kind of was thinking maybe a two-tone or to find something else. I really fell in love with a particular set of wheels that really just complement this car. It's kind of like an OEM plus. I just really think these wheels look fantastic. And so I searched and searched for several weeks and found something that was a decent deal and picked them up. The new wheels that I picked up are still 19-inch wheels. So the fronts are 19x9 ET29. The rears are 19x10 ET40. So they're a little bit more aggressive and I think it's gonna look great. So real quick, this is what this currently looks like. And here are the new ones. So if you guys can't tell, these are actually BMW OEM spec wheels. They are refinished, completely refinished in a gloss black. So these are actually 437M wheels that come on the F80, F82, M3, M4. So again, these are 19x9, 19x10. And the concavity on the rears is quite nice. There are a lot of replica wheel companies out there that make BMW style wheels. These are not replicas, these are actually OEM from an actual M4. So I talked to a lot of different guys, a lot of different guys on Instagram and F30 posts who have these wheels as well as replica wheels, and everyone that I've spoken to has recommended to go with OEM, and so that's kind of why I decided to hold out and find a set of OEM wheels, stumbled upon these, and it's gonna work out great. So these are a little bit more aggressive, a little bit wider than replica wheels, and the concavity on these are just better. So the tires that are on here are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, and they are awesome. I had those tires actually on my previous M3. These are the predecessor to the Michelin Pilot Super Sports. So this is a rear wheel here, and as you can see, I went with a 265/30 019, and let's see, here's a front wheel. On the fronts, we went with a 235/35 019. All the tires are brand new. The wheels are completely refinished. Hopefully I don't regret going with gloss black. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car up, get these stock wheels off, put the new ones on, lower it, and show you guys what it looks like at the end. Hope you guys like it. Here's a rear. Let's take a moment to look and see how wide these rears are. Ooh, that's only a 265. Alright, so real quick, this is how it looks currently. OEM 19s on the driver's side. And the new 437 M's on the passenger side. So I already knew that the wheel gap was probably going to be a little bit worse, considering the tires are about 10 millimeters less than the OEM size, basically. And so I plan to lower the car. Just need to figure out what exactly I want to do for that still. But I think it'll be perfect once it gets a little bit of a drop. So it might be monster trucking for a little while, but there you go. Alright guys, so that just about does it. Pretty simple install, obviously, swapping wheels. Obviously, we've got some wheel gap here that we need to take care of. So again, tires are actually about 10 millimeters shorter than the stock tires. So I kind of did it on purpose because I know that I'm going to drop the car. I think it's going to look a little bit better after it gets lowered. So if you guys have any opinions on what suspension to do, please let me know in the comments. But that should be it for now. Let me know what you think about the wheels, if you like them or if you like the other wheels better. Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.